Now I call upon the chief guest for today's evening, Mr. Aaron Engstrom, is the Regional Security Officer of the United States of America. I request Mr. Araujo to escort him on the stage, please. Thank you, sir, for coming for the event. Now we will cut the cake in presence of us. Sorry, guys. I call upon Mr. Mubarak Al-Rashid. He is a Hindi singing. Please, Araujo, escort him on the stage. Come in. I call upon Mr. Sultan Al-Qadri. He also likes Hindi songs. Okay, he's a very outstanding Hindi. Now we will just cut a cake in presence of the chief guest and special invitee. So I will call Mr. Mathew Araujo to cut a cake. Mr. Araujo, DUKHANTLEAN, SUKHACHIM MOTIAM. Ini MOTIAM atau Europe kulit dolasa. I MOTIAM kulit apa? Karena kami Dubai berada. So all the best for Mr. Mathew Araujo for a good success. The chief guest, Mr. Araujo and Mr. Engstrom, to say a few words.
Thank you very much, Gabriel. Thank you for the invitation. I would like to recognize Gabriel and Mondo for their excellent company language instruction that I've been undergoing in preparation for today's speech. Deo Bori Santia. Well, nice to see you all here, and thank you for joining us. We would like to extend a very warm welcome to Mathew Araujo and his troupe of wonderful actors. Here in Kuwait, Mathew is a versatile theater personality as an actor and now director with over 40 years of experience. Having heard the title, Singing of the Konkani language. Mathew, thank you very much for coming to Kuwait and joining us here. I wish you all the best and more to come in the future from KT Productions. Let's enjoy DUKHANTLEAN, SUKHACHIM, MOTIAM. Thank you very much. Well, if we have to fire the language instructors, we will. Gabriel, Mondo, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
Now we will hand over the bouquet to Mubarak Al-Rashid Al-Azmi. our country. And not last the least, but the director of the show, for Mathew Araujo. Now, the chief guest will hand over the momentum to the director of the Tiatr, DUKHANTLEAN, SUKHACHIM. I call upon Mathew Araujo. I call upon today's event coordinator, Mr. Malvin Fernandez, to hand over the momentum to the today's chief guest, Aaron. I call upon Mr. Mubarak. Just by giving a token of love for you, since you love Goans, Konkani, and if you like to hear something in Konkani first before I give the momentum to you.
So you made blackmail, huh? Hello, good evening. Dear boy, sound to you. Okay, so just one my friend, what's your name? Nikki, just he teach me 2 words, fast. And also Felix, he teach me the song also. I would like to thank you, my friend, to invite me and my friend Sultan Henry for this wonderful event, and I always pleasure to be a part of Goan, because really I love Goan from my heart. Before I make one program from Goa. My friend, he passed away. My healed soul, rest in peace, Lawrence. He doing Chaldea college. First time he invited me, I can't forget this moment. And so I will sing this song. I just want, if I see the people they want to sing or not.
Yes!
I can't hear. Let's see. Drum mama, let's see. We'll play, brother. We'll play. What did you like? Oh. Well, come on. Let's see something like Viva Goa, Viva Portugal, O Tumcho, Mol Kutum.
any Goan program, he never says no for me. Okay, and I have to go and teach him Konkani. So anyways, thanks a lot, Mr. Mubarak, and God bless you. This is a token of love from our organization for you, because now we will present the token of love to Sultan Al-Kambi, Mr. Melvin. He will be handed over to him. Now, I will call upon our sponsors. Without our sponsors, we cannot Amjani or Shokul Zaina. So, our Martha, the sponsor, we are giving a love token for them. I call upon Ellen Pereira. Please come on stage, please. Ellen Pereira. I call upon Mr. Alfredo Lorenzo. Thanks, Alfredo Lorenzo, for your great help. I call upon VNC, Vincent Yukuna. Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Wilson, we have a farm in Goa, in Satiri. So people who like to go Satiri, they can go. I call upon Francis Pereira. Francis Pereira, please come on stage, please. I call upon Victor. For the today's Tiatr, आमका additional gift दिला Dana Opticals. I call upon Dana Opticals. Madam, come on stage, please. Now she will give a gift for the artist piece. I'll start from my left. Andrew. Albert. Junior Nelson. Covenant King Agostino. to come and take the momentum from the event coordinator, Mr. Malvin Fernandez. I call upon Mr. Bono, the Ariel, for supporting the show.
Okay.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo.
I call upon Araujo for supporting the show here. Araujo, this is on the street, please. I call upon Valaka Fernandez. Valaka Fernandez, please. Let's go to the law from Sultan Al Country. I saw the master of music, Mr. Brandon Lisa, all the way from London. Mr. Mubarak will hand over the momentum.
Aku kata music Frampton.
Thank you, Mr. Albert Araujo. Took a laugh from Indian art and culture. आता नेमने सवाल है राम के डायरेक्टर एक ताकीज मैसेज दी
Poleswaderanga Ajira Aslo Chief Guest, Estamona Sona Kazatan, Jobana Koramunda, Ali Tumi, Tumsavi Nolo, Pomodoso Mogila, but the Kazaji Korek Natum Kasona, Elia, Jobana Koramunda, and Iba Felix, and Iba Melvi, Osho and Estamata, Jobana Koram, Ulema
Mr. Araujo, आता आमचो तियात्र सुरू करतले.